Hello. I wanted to show you guys one of the software technology pieces that I had researched for this project. This is called FASTT Math. It's by Scholastic. If you want to find out more about it, I have a link on my home page labeled FASTT Math that you can look and find out more information about it. It's been proven that it helps a lot with math fluency, especially if you use it with flashcards and paper and pencil techniques. So I'm going to walk you through the login process and show you what FASTT Math is. I was fortunate enough to be able to get access through my school district to get a sample username and password to be able to show you guys. So when a student logs in here, you go into My Dashboard, and this pops up every time that you come in. You have your fast facts, your focus facts, and your study facts. When I logged into this, I know my facts pretty well, so there was 100 facts, and for some reason it said I didn't know one of them. So there's 100 fast facts on here. And I have one focus fact for right now, and I don't have any study facts because I did those yesterday. So it kind of gives you down here under My Progress, it kind of gives you what you're doing for the week, how many fast facts you are moving up to, and then over here in lesson time it tells you about how many minutes you've been on. So that's good too, so students can keep track of what they're doing. And then over here it tells you your top game, and I'll explain what these little tokens over here mean. So let's go ahead and get started and see what it's like. So here's your fact grid, and the focus facts or your fast facts are going to be green. So those are all the ones that you've mastered so far. So I've mastered all of them except for one. The focus fact that I have for today is 7 plus 4, because it said I didn't know 7 plus 4 for some reason. This is the one that we're going to study, and this pops up every single day for the kids. That way it can just show their visual progress. They're able to see it, and I found out that this helps a lot with knowing what's going on. So let's see what happens here. I think we're going to do see how well I do here. I wanted to walk you guys through this so you could see what the process was, because some of this might be useful for some of you guys in your districts. Maybe you can talk to them about this. Oh, see, I messed up because I was talking to you guys. Multitasking. I'm not going to get a perfect game now. Need to concentrate on what I'm doing. I tell my kids that all the time. timed out on me. Almost done. Alright, so my best that I'd had so in the previous days was 2031. Today I didn't do as well. So it tells you what your best is, and it tells you the points that you've gotten. So it lets the kids keep track of them. So let's see. So now that I did my facts for the day, what I can do is I can come in here and I can play a game. So all these games that they can play, Bubble Fish, Cool Blast, Dance Off, Electro Ball, and all these other ones that they have. I've done this one, Cool Blast, so I can kind of show you what it is and the games that go along with it. So let's do Fast Cars here. Takes a minute to load. Alright, so I got through it. So let's see how I did. Alright, so I had a personal best of 107,000. It took me a minute and 59 seconds to do that. So I got 10 in a row correct. It was a fast game. I got a perfect game. So these are trophies that the kids can get, and I've seen that a lot of these, this is what they're trying to get. They're trying to get all these. So it's competition to let them be able to get these things and keep them progressing in what they do. So let's go here and see what we have, and then again it takes me back to my fact grid and shows me what I have. So this really helps kids with progress. So I can click again. I don't have any more facts today, so I can continue to go through and play games. Normally kids want to spend 10 to 20 minutes on this a day, and research has shown that it really helps. Like I said before, as long as you're supplementing this with other things, most kids are gonna be able to react and do better. Not all kids are gonna do well in this, because some kids just don't do well with things like this. It just depends on the person. So I just wanted to give you a little insight into this, and hopefully this will help you and help you make some informed decisions in your classroom. Thank you very much.